Good afternoon, everybody. I have been busy scrubbing and cleaning my spare room and emptying boxes and tidying up my yarn. And I wanted to show you some lovely shawls that I made years ago before I started knitting again. This was when I first made my channel. And this is pure wool. And this is a beautiful, beautiful lovely yarn that I found in the shop, and I wear it like that as a cowl more than a shawl because it is so nice to keep my front warm, because you've got your coat on, and even though your coat's done up, it's nice to have something in the front to keep you warm. So they're really gorgeous colours. I hope they're showing up correctly on the video. So what do you think of that one? That's gorgeous. And I've got another one to show you as well. This is the other one I made at the same time, and it's absolutely beautiful colours. Again, it's pure wool. So warm. It is absolutely lovely. And it's just basic UK trebles, which I think is a double in US, and some chain spaces. Just missing 2 and going over 2, just putting 2 in and just doing that every so often. But the colour, it just makes it look absolutely beautiful. I love it. And I found another one I want to show you too. Absolutely beautiful. So I also found this in the process of cleaning up my spare room. I did this several years ago and I put it away, and I'm not sure whether to keep it or put it up for sale. It's absolutely beautiful. I've got a few colours of these. So there's 462 metres, and this is what's left over. There's still heaps left over. And so another colour I have is this one. It's the Bumbo Moonlight yarn from Hobie.com. Look at the colours in that one. Isn't that stunning? That's going to be beautiful made up. So I don't know if this will focus for you. 462 metres. Doesn't say how much in yards, but it's so thin. You can see what's left after making that cowl. So it's absolutely beautiful. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed what I've been finding in my spare room. Bye.